Expo's update service allows developers to get your code into the hands of your users as fast as possible when you've only changed the JavaScript portion of your application. When there's a change to the native part of your application, it's necessary to distribute that through the traditional channels, and your users will get those updates often overnight, for instance. In some cases, it might be several days or several weeks before your users pick up those updates that contain native code changes. In contrast, JavaScript updates through Expo services go out as fast as possible. When an end user opens their app, you are able to call into the Expo Updates JavaScript API to check for new updates. You can present a message to the user asking them if they'd like to apply the update. In some cases, if it's a critical update, you can decide to apply it right away. You get to choose as a developer what the right experience is for when you want your users to update their applications.